When was the last time you could buy a new pickup truck for under $20,000? Just a few years ago, the Nissan Frontier and Chevy Colorado still offered naturally aspirated four-cylinder engines at affordable prices. Fast forward to today, and these and similar trucks are packing more power, more tech, more fancy features that pushed prices beyond $30,000. Even in the emerging compact truck segment, models like the Hyundai Santa Cruz and Ford Maverick now start at over $27,000. Just a year or two ago, they were closer to $23,000. This madness has to stop. But how? By offering affordable pickup trucks under $20,000. Here are 5 game changers that could revolutionize the market. Toyota Hilux Champ. A compact pickup could disrupt the current market with its exciting balance of agility and capability. The Hilux Champ features a body-on-frame design and delivers the rugged durability truck owners crave, but in a smaller, more maneuverable package that stands out from the typical full-size rigs seen today. One of the standout features of the Toyota Hilux Champ is its bare-bones design. This simplicity allows buyers to fully customize the truck to suit specific needs, whether it's for work, weekend adventures, or a combination of both. In market where it's available, diesel engines are dominating, which is a common favorite for buyers outside of the US. Oil burners bring superior torque and fuel efficiency, making them ideal for towing. Knowing Toyota, future hybrid versions are highly likely to deliver a significant boost in fuel efficiency, while lowering emissions, making the Hilux Champ a strong contender in the evolving market with its increasingly stringent standards and regulations. Currently priced from $12,000, the Hilux Champ stands out as one of the most affordable trucks available. However, the base model comes with only the bare chassis bones, so those seeking full functionality will need to invest in additional options. Volkswagen Saveiro. It's been a beloved choice among South American truckers for years, and Saveiro could be a fantastic option for the US market, especially if it were priced under $20,000. At just 175 inches in length, the truck is shorter than any other model we're used to seeing in the United States, but that's precisely what makes it so appealing. Its smaller footprint makes it nimble and ideal for urban environments. Powered by a 1.6-liter engine delivering 116 horsepower, the Volkswagen Saveiro is capable of towing up to 2,000 pounds, making it more than sufficient for light-duty tasks like hauling small trailers or carrying a load of equipment. For the American market, German manufacturer could choose to equip the Saveiro with the 2-liter engine from the Tiguan, boosting performance. However, this would likely push the price higher. Currently priced at around $15,000 in South America, fans believe there's room for various upgrades before the Volkswagen launches the pickup in the US. Ram 700. Staple in Mexico for years, this pickup is offering an affordable and practical option that American truckers could only watch from afar, envious of its budget-friendly price tag. But it could be changed soon with prices of pickups in the United States going through the roof. Under the hood, the 1.3-liter Firefly engine comes with just 98 horsepower and allows for a modest 1,650-pound towing capacity. It's hardly impressive by US standards, but sufficient for light-duty work. A 1-liter turbocharged unit is also available, offering slightly more power, but 116 ponies bring no real boost in hauling capability. However, the real selling point of the Ram 700 is its price, coming in at just $16,500. It's proof that a compact, affordable truck can still exist in today's market, even if it hasn't made its way to the US yet. Nissan NP300. Currently available in Mexico, the truck stands out as a durable workhorse, perfect for those who need a practical vehicle for daily tasks and don't want to spend a fortune. While its 2.5-liter engine, producing 166 horsepower, won't win any speed races, it provides sufficient power for work-oriented driving and is known for its reliability in demanding environments. In other markets, the NP300 is also offered with diesel engines, which would be an excellent option for American buyers looking for better fuel efficiency and towing capacity. However, oil burners aren't expected to make its way to the US market, leaving the gas engine as the sole option. The Nissan NP300 starts at around $22,000 in its base chassis cab form. While slightly above the $20,000 mark, it remains one of the more affordable pickup options globally, especially considering the rugged capabilities it offers. If Nissan decides to introduce the NP300 in the US with a competitive price, it would definitely be a game changer, providing an accessible, no-frills truck option that could fill the void for budget-conscious buyers who want a reliable work vehicle. Chevy Montana. The Montana is the most likely candidate to break into the US market soon, and it already checks many boxes for American truck buyers. Powered by a 1.5-liter turbo 4 delivering 177 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, it offers enough power for solid performance while keeping efficiency at a high level. A 2-liter turbo is an option in some regions, but that will push the price too far from $20,000, with the standard Chevy Montana starting around $23,000, already outside our budget-friendly criteria. If the truck makes its way to the United States, one of the key optional upgrades could be an all-wheel drive system. The biggest question is how General Motors will position it. Will they keep it close to the $20,000 mark as a true budget pickup, or will it take on the Hyundai Santa Cruz and Ford Maverick as a larger compact truck? Either way, the Montana is one to watch.